Isotopes of magnesium 24, 25 or 26. This is the percentage of magnesium found in abundance, that is 24 is found in the maximum percentage, that is 80%, and rest of 2 are found in 10 percentage, right? So let us see what we have what we have done in our previous question. Let's apply the formula only. M1x1, so what is M1? 24 into 80, right? 24 into 80 plus 25 into 10 plus 26 into 10, right? And we have to divide it by 80 plus 10 plus 10, that will be 100. See, 80 plus 10 plus 10, so divide this term by 100. So what we get? We get 24.3. This is why the mass of magnesium is 24.3 AMU, right? Atomic mass unit. So I hope the concept of average atomic mass or atomic mass unit is clear to you. So now let us discuss molecular mass also. So see, molecular mass, as the name suggests, sum of average atomic mass of all atoms in a molecule. Molecule में जितने भी एटम्स हैं, ठीक है, उनका जो सम होता है, सम ऑफ होता है, दैट विल बी molecular mass, right? So let us discuss with the example. Hydrogen is here, right? Hydrogen is made up of two elements, hydrogen or oxygen. Okay, it is made up of two elements, hydrogen or oxygen. If we talk about the mass of hydrogen, so we have to find out the molecular mass of this H2O. So what we have to do, just see how many molecules are there or how many atoms are there, right? So in H2O, see, there are two atoms of hydrogen, and in oxygen there are one atom of hydrogen. Likewise, if you have to find out any, right, you can take any molecule, HCl, right? So here is only one atom of hydrogen and chlorine, one atom of chlorine. So let us do this. H2O, here is two atom of hydrogen, and we know that mass of hydrogen is 1, right? Mass of hydrogen is 1 AMU. So 2 into multiply it with the mass of hydrogen atom, so that is 1 AMU. Okay, that is equal to 1 AMU. Likewise, how many atoms of oxygen here? Only one atom of oxygen, and multiply it by mass of oxygen. So mass of oxygen is 16 AMU. What we will get? 2 into 1, 2, plus 16 into 1, 16. So we will get 18 AMU. So it is very easy. You have do the molecular mass in your previous class also. So likewise, we will calculate the HCl. So now it's your turn. Tell me. 1 into mass of hydrogen is 1, right? Only one atom present here. So in chlorine case, 1 atom is here. And what is the mass of chlorine? We have calculated just earlier, 35.5. So what it will be? It will be 36.5 AMU, right? I hope this is clear. So let us take oxygen. Oxygen, it having two atoms here, so 2 into mass number, 2 into what is the mass of oxygen, that is 16. So what it will be? 32 AMU. I hope this is clear. So this is about the molecular mass. So it is the sum of average atomic masses of all atoms in a molecules. ओके तो किसी भी मॉलिक्यूल का आप इस तरह से निकाल सकते हो. बस वो क्या देखना है उसमें कि जितने भी एटम्स हैं, राइट, जितने भी एटम्स हैं उसका हमें सम लेना होता है. दैट इज़ द molecular mass. I hope this is understood by all the students.